Hey guys, Dan here from Decolo 3D Prints. Let's jump right in with an install video in real time for the Milwaukee Packout to Klein ModBox adapter plate. Here's a quick inspection of the plates for what to expect. Notice the four outer cleats are all attached solid with the center being empty. This is where our locking bracket will go when we get everything lined up. Here in red are the center locking brackets we're going to use as a means to lock the plates to the Packout box. They'll sit right in the center crevice and held flush when tightened. Notice the two embedded M5 nuts seated inside the brackets. Now, let's go ahead and start the install. Notice that each red bracket has an L and R signifying the left and right sides, as they are side specific. Go ahead and insert them into their respective slots. The orientation for the left and right adapter plates will both meet at the middle with an open bar. This is for the full-size box to sit on top and lock down in. Go ahead and slide each adapter plate into their respective locations. Next, take the included M5 by 18mm bolts and put them in the respective adapter plate holes to mount the adapter plate into the red lockdown bars. You can now start to tighten, and I always advise to hand tighten to avoid cross-threading. As usual, give it a little bit of a wiggle, make sure it's locked in place. At this point, we're done. Go ahead and grab whichever Klein ModBox you'd like to put on top, and you're good to go. I hope this install video was useful for you, and as always, for anything else, other cool tool ideas, or just generic input, feel free to comment below, like, subscribe, and keep on bringing your ideas to life.